Welcome to College Trigonometry. So this is a video for correcting first assignment. For the first problem, I want you to find 6 trigonometry function, and given tangent of theta equal to square root of 3. Okay, so I'm going to write over here. It's given that tangent of theta is square root of 3 and theta is in quadrant number 3. Okay. So if theta is in quadrant number 3, I know the tangent is positive, and this makes sense over here already. So let's draw the coordinate system, and quadrant number 3 is over here, so I know the triangle I want to draw is this one, and this is should be theta right here, and tangent equal to opposite over adjacent, so this is square root of 3 right here. And this is 1 over here. Okay, so I can find sine, cosine, cosecant, secant easily. Cotangent is 1 over tangent, so cotangent must be 1 over square root of 3. That one is very easy, and it give you square root of 3 over 3, and it makes sense because in quadrant number 3 cotangent is positive too. But sine is different. With sine equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is square root of 3. Hypotenuse is we have to find. So this you can apply Pythagorean theorem. So it's 3. So it should be 2. And sine in this quadrant is negative. So it's negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay. The same thing for cosine. Cosine equal to 1 adjacent over hypotenuse, but cosine in this quadrant should be negative also because quadrant number 3. So cosine will be negative 1 over 2. And secant is 1 over cosine, so give you a negative 2. And cosecant is 1 over sine, so give you negative 2 square root of 3. Okay. So we have all trigonometry function value for the first problem. So one question is kind of like this. All you have to do is you draw the triangle. First you need to know the quadrant, then you draw the triangle, and you need to know if cosine or the trigonometry function is positive or negative, depend on the quadrant they are given you. Okay. Number 2. On number 2, they want you to find the value of the expression tangent of 3015 degree. Okay, and we have to use a reference angle to find a tangent of this big angle. We have to know how many revolution. Okay, how many 360 degree that close to 3015 degree. Okay, so if you go 1 revolution, that represent 360 degree. In order to know how many revolution you have to draw, you take 3015, you divide by 360, then give you 8 revolution. Okay, so it's 8 revolution, so 1. Okay, because it's positive, so I go counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 revolution. It means that how many degree? 8 times 360, right? Give you 2880 degree. Okay, 8 times 360 is 2880, and we take 3015, we subtract that value, then you have 130 degree left. So 15 degree can be expressed as 8 times 360 degree plus 135 degrees. So we need to add 135 degree more to get a whole 3015 degree. So 135 is around it's not close to 180. It's not 180, so you take 180 minus 135, give you 45. So this right here. So can it go halfway like this? There you go. So this is 135 from here to here, and the whole thing give you 3015 degree. Excuse me. Okay. So in order to find tangent on 3015 degree, we just need to know where's the reference angle, and we know the reference angle is right here. Let me use a different color. So we know the reference angle is right here. Okay, and this is 45 degrees. So reference angle is 45 degrees. So we can write tangent of 1315 degrees as tangent of 45 degree. However, this is the second quadrant, so second quadrant tangent negative, so we can have to put negative tangent of 45 degree, and tangent of 45 degrees is a 45 degree special angle, so tangent of 45 degrees is 1, so this will be give you -1. Okay. And for cotangent of 2280 degree, that's pretty big one also. Okay, this one is same as, because cotangent is reverse, is 1 over the reciprocal of tangent. So I can write this as tangent of 2280 degree, and I draw the picture one more time. How many revolution it goes? How many 360 degree we have to go to get close to 2280 degree. So we take 2280 divided by 360. It looks like we have to go 6 times, 6 revolutions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 2280 is 6 of 360 degree plus something. Okay, let me see. 2280, plus 120 degree. So we need to add 120 degree more. So 120 degree more about 90 plus 30 degree. So it's over here, guys. There you go. Okay. So this is 120 degree here, and the whole thing 6 revolution and 120 degree give you 2280 degrees. So the reference angle in this case must be this one. Must be this one. Okay, must be this one. And the reference angle will be what? This 180, 100 minus will be 60 degree, right? That's the reference angle. So I can express cotangent of 2280 degree as tangent of 60 degree, and tangent in this case is negative value, so negative, and tangent of 60 degree is square root of square root of 3. So alright, square root of 3. Let me see. Yes. Okay, will be negative square root. So that is just for the tangent. So we can get cotangent easily. Is 1 over tangent, so it will be 1 over square root of 3. Could be negative square root of 3 over 3. All right. That is for cotangent. Okay. So basically we finished problem number 2. And we can do problem number 3 also. For that problem number 3, they say the interval, the theta is in the, so theta belongs to this interval between 0 and 360 degree, and they give you sine of theta is negative square root 3 over 2. Okay, then they ask you to find phi theta. Okay, so how we gonna do this? Okay. So sine in this case, sine in this case is negative, right? Okay, and if sine is negative, so either quadrant 3 or quadrant 4. Okay, quadrant 3 or quadrant 4, and let's see how we're gonna do this. A square root of 3 over 2, it is a special value of a 60 sine of 60 degree, right? And this is negative. Okay, so this is negative, so it should be in this one or this one. Okay, so let me say, so let me draw there 60 degree, reference angle of 60 degree. This was this reference angle of 60 degree, right? 60 degree in quadrant 3 and 4, so it should be around here. This is a reference angle. Okay, or somewhere over here, right? 60 degrees somewhere over here. Okay, this K or this K. Okay, and if it is in this K, it is 180. Okay, 180, the theta will be 180 plus 60, because this is a reference angle, right? Remember, this is quadrant number 3, so this is the case number 3. I give you four cases, right? So 180 plus 60, or if in this case will be theta will be 360 minus minus what? Minus 60 degree will be 300 degree. Okay, and this is will give you a 240 degree. Okay, so that will be the case. Okay, that's all. So all you have to do is you draw the reference angle. Okay, you get the special angle from the value here. Well, actually, if it give you something weird other than special value, you cannot do in this case. If it give you something special like this, square root 3 over 2, square root 2 over 2, or square root or 1 over 2, then you can do this. Other than that, you cannot do it. All right. So you see that 240 degree and 360 degrees is inside this interval. You should be then it should be okay. If they expand the interval, then we probably have more another angle. Okay, so it depends on the interval right here. Okay, because I can go one more revolution, but if I go one more revolution, it means I add 360 degree more than this. You see this outside the range. Okay, and I cannot go counterclockwise. I cannot go clockwise. I'm sorry, because if I go clockwise, it becomes negative angle, and when it's negative angle, you see this outside this one too. Okay, So I think that's all for number 3. We're gonna do number 4 also. I'm really sorry for the static noise. For some reason, some way, somehow the microphone is stopped breaking apart, and they have a static noise, and it's keep buzzing, and it's really annoying. But I mean, I don't know how to fix it at this moment. It's probably because of the laptop. The hard drive is kind of running with noise, I believe so. So bear with me a little bit, okay? So until I figure out when I'm gonna buy the new one, let me check it out from somewhere. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead. Correct problem number 4. Problem number 4 is it is a word problem, and they give you the picture already. Most of the time when you do the word problem, you have to draw the picture. Luckily, in this case, we already had a picture. So let me redraw the picture here. So I have I have the lighthouse, and the whale over here, and we have an angle of depression from the top of the lighthouse to the first position of the whale. Okay, okay, like this. This is 15 degree and 50 minute, and the second position right here, it is 35 degree and 40 minute. Okay, and the height of the lighthouse is 68.7 meter. They ask you the distance between the first position and the second position. So how I'm gonna do it? How I'm gonna do this problem? In order to find x, right? You see that in order to find x, you have to find the distance from here to here. Then I subtract the distance from here to here. Then I give you x. But in order to find the distance from here to here, if you recognize, you will see that this angle and this angle kind of interior alternating angle. I mentioned the interior alternating angle already in class. So the angle over here is 50 degree and 50 seconds. So over here will be 15 degree and 50 seconds also. But you have to change it to degrees. So 50 minutes will be 15 degree plus 50 over 60 will give you a 15.84 degree. The same thing for 35 degree and 40 minutes. You change it to degree, and 35 plus 40 over 60 will be 35.67 degree. Okay, so and the angle here and here is also the same because interior alternating angle. So we here is 35/40 minute, over here also 35/40 minutes, and this is the right triangle. So I can apply sine or tangent, because tangent is related to the opposite and the adjacent. So tangent of 1584 degree would be opposite, would be 68.7 over y. Okay, and from here I can get y is 242. Okay, meter. And the same thing for you apply tangent of 30 degree and 67. This is opposite of adjacent, will be opposite of 68.7 over adjacent is called W. So we find W will be 95.71 watt. Okay. meter. And if you have W, you have Y, you can find Z. You can find X is equal to W, the big one minus the small one. It will be 242.13 minus 95.71. Then the answer will be 146.42. And make sure you have to put the unit, okay? If you don't put a unit in this, I probably take points up, okay? So that's the solution for number 1. We just use the basic trigonometry ratio. I think all the formula we already learned. For number 5, they ask you to calculate the angle B and C given this equation, and they also say that this is a right triangle at A. So right triangle at A. So let's draw a right triangle, and this is A. So this is B or C. It doesn't matter. You can name either of the angle here, B or C. But I know that if I take sine of C, C is angle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So it will be AB over BC. The same thing for cosine of B. Cosine of B is adjacent AB over BC, right? So I plug into this equation. So I have what? I have 2 times AB over BC minus AB over BC equal half. And A2 AB over C minus 1 will give you AB over AC, okay, equal half. So you know that in this triangle, AB is half of BC. So if AB is a half of BC, actually it's the half of triangle ABC is actually the half of equilateral triangle. Because if it's half of equilateral triangle is that part right here, then equilateral triangle is all 3 sides congruent. So this half, so this one must be double this one, this AC here. BC is always oh, I'm sorry. ABBC. I'm sorry. So AB is always is half of BC. Okay, and if AB is half of BC, is half of equilateral triangle. So this is half. So this one must be angle C must be 30 degrees, and angle B must be 60 degrees. Okay. Okay. For number 6. They give you the expression. Seem to be top at the beginning because the angle sine 40 is not special angle, and because it's not special angle, we cannot calculate, we cannot evaluate right away until we manipulate some way somehow so that relate to the special angle. Okay. You must be able to recognize the sine 130 degree actually is sine of 180 degree minus 50 degree, right? And the same thing over here, sine of 220 degree is sine of sorry, it is sine of 180 degree plus 40, right? And this is sine of 360 degree minus 50. Okay. So this is the second quadrant, 180 minus an alpha minus an angle. So and second quadrant sine is positive, so this is give you sine 40. I keep it. This is give you sine of 50. If the third quadrant sine negative, so give you negative sine of 40. And this is a fourth quadrant sine also negative, so give you negative sine of 50. So you see this is this as well, this as well. So answer is 0. Okay. Okay. For problem number 7, and I told you this is like a geometry problem, but it's not, because we use a trigonometry ratio, trigonometry function, to find whatever they asking us to do. So they give us the triangle like this. Okay. And T over here, and a P here, and Q here, and R here. And they said this is 18 degrees, and this is 8, and this is 5, and they also give you this is 150 degrees. Okay. And they ask you to find PT, and they ask you to find the area of QPR. Okay. So if you recognize this triangle PQR is scaling triangle. Okay, scaling triangle. And because it's scaling triangle, so we the area of the triangle will be again it's still 1/2 base times height, but the base will be this and the height will be this. Okay. Okay. So the formula will be 1/2 base is PR times height is QH. Okay. QH. Okay. So in order to find the area, I just need to find PR and QH. Okay. And we also have to find PT. Okay, according to the question. All right. So how are we gonna find PR and QH? Okay, let me see. You see that the triangle here, this is 150 degrees, so this is 30 degrees. So I can use sine of 30 degrees. Its opposite is QH over adjacent. Opposite over hypotenuse, I'm sorry, it will be QT will be 8. So QH will be 8 sine 30. So sine 30 is half. So answer will be 4. Alright, so I got QH. So all I have to do now is find PR. Okay, so in order to find PT, so as long as I can find PT, I can find Q, I can find PR, right? Because PT plus TR. Or also I can find each of them. I can find one, I can find the other. Okay. Let me see. So PT is PR minus TR, or PT is PH minus the TH. Okay, PT equal to PH minus TH. Okay. And can we find PH? Okay. Can we find TH? Yes, we can find TH. TH is cosine. Okay. Or you can use tangent. I think I'm going to use tangent. Tangent of 30 equal to opposite over adjacent, so QH over TH. So TH will be tangent of 30. Tangent of 30 times QH. Okay. And tangent of 30 is square root of 3 over 3. Oh, I'm sorry. TH will be QH over tangent of 30. And QH is 4 over square root of 3 over 3. So the answer will be 12 over square root of 3. So it will be 4 square root of 3. So that's TH. Okay. pH. How we find pH? Let's see. Easy. We look at a triangle. We consider the big right triangle here. So pH will be tangent of 18 degree. Tangent of 18 degree equal to QH over pH. So we can find pH is QH over tangent of 80 degree. And QH is 4, so tangent of 80 degree is I don't know how many unit. You can put into calculator. Okay. And this is give you 12.31. Okay. So with pH, with TH, I can find PT. So PT will be pH over TH, minus TH will be 12.31 minus 4 square root 3. Then the answer is 5.38 25. Okay. Okay. So that's PT. And of course, I can find PR easily. So PR will be PT plus 5. So PT is this plus 5 will be 10.3825. Okay. And now I can find the area is a half. PR 10.3825 times QH, H4, and the answer should be 20.765. Okay. In this problem, no way we can keep it fraction or keep it whole number because the angle is a tangent of 18 give you decimal, so the answer must be in decimal form. Okay. For number 8. Number 8. Number 8 is simpler than number 7. Let's see. Number 8, they give you, they want you to find BC, and they give you DE already. So DE here, 7. Okay. So this is 45 degree, and this is 90, so the whole thing 45. This is 30. This is 90, so this is 60. And if this is 60, this one must be 60 because it's interior alternating. Okay, this parallel to this. The transversal line, so this 60 and 60, and this one is 60. This is 30. Okay, and I can find AD easily. So I apply the sine of 30 degree equal to opposite, which is DE over AD, and from that I can get AD. Okay, after I get AD, I can find AB. I can find AC. Okay, or AB doesn't matter. And I use tangent. Tangent of 45 is opposite. Opposite. This is 28. Okay. Over 1. So I can get AC 28 over 1. So I get AC. And if I get AC, and this is 45, 90. So this is 45. So this is 90, 45, 90, 45. This is you can apply the Pythagorean theorem to get BC. So this is your answer for BC. Okay. The reason I can get 28 because you can use this is ID 14 already. So this is 14 and this is 30 and this is 60. So this triangle ABD is half of the right triangle, a half of the equilateral triangle. And because it's half of equilateral triangle, this is 30, this is 90, then of course this is 60. Then this must be double this one. Okay, because again, I already told you half of this is an equilateral triangle and half of them. Then this side here, right here, the side here, always double the side here. Okay, so this is 14. 2 is 28. Okay, and finally we can apply Pythagorean theorem to get BC. All right. Yeah, so I think that's all for the correction of the second assignment. I'm really sorry for the static buzzing. I don't know how to fix that. Hopefully I can check out the new laptop. This it's not even my laptop. It's been, I think it's kind of old. Yeah, I barely use laptop and calculator in my life. I want to check out some new, but I mean for recording, I've been recording for a few months already. But I mean, I think because of recording and it start falling apart. Yeah, hopefully that I can fix that sooner. But in the meantime, you probably have to bear with the static noise. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And if you, yes, again, I would say that you should subscribe to the channel. But I mean, if you don't want to miss, just watch the video. Okay, I'll keep it up with the message, my Canvas message I send you, my email. Then you watch the correction video and the solution and um, the lecture. Alright, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.